Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these cute little flower hair clips. They're really small and you can use for braids or just as a clip. Super easy, so let's go. First I'll be using a size 3 hook. You can use any size you like, but the smaller the better for a smaller flower. Okay, so first you need to create a magic ring. You do this by wrapping the yarn around your fingers, forming a little cross and then pulling through the yarn above at the top, and then we're gonna have to chain 2, so that's 1, if I can do it, yep, 1, 2, and then you're gonna do 1 double crochet, so that's yarn onto the hook, pull through 2 strands of the yarn and pull through another 2 strands, and you're gonna chain 2 again, and then you're going to slip stitch back into the ring, and that is 1 petal. So we're going to repeat this 5 times for 5 petals. Okay, so we're doing it again, chain 2, and then put yarn onto your hook for your double crochet, pull through yarn, you've got 3 strands, pull through 2 and pull through 2 more, and then chain 2, 1, 2, and then slip stitch back into the magic ring. Now we've got 2 petals, we're going to go into the 3rd petal, and we're just going to continue this until we've got 5 petals. Okay, so after we've got the 5 petals, we are going to pull the extra yarn to close the magic ring, as I'm doing here. You need to do a good pull. Yep, after closing the magic ring, we're going to fasten off, so you'll need to chain 1 and then cut the extra yarn off. So this is how the flower looks. Just going to pull the yarn again to make it extra secure, and then I like to tie a knot with the extra 2 strands of yarn that's left over. After tying this knot, you will need to hide these 2 strands. So this is how the flower will look after you hide the extra yarn. As you can see here, it's super cute little flower, and I just made plenty because I wanted to make more than 1 hair clip, but you can do as many as you like. Next we'll need some bobby pins. Okay, so now we're going to create the yellow part of the flower. I've just got a yellow yarn strand to a needle. I'm going to put the needle through the middle, and then we're going to sew it onto the flower. You can use any method you like, or you can just do it the way I have as well. As long as you've got the yellow part in the middle, it doesn't really matter. And that is the middle part done. So next we're going to attach to the bobby pin. You can use either a hot glue gun, or you can tie it around using the extra strands of the yarn that we have for the yellow part. I just created a knot. This way I can use the pins with the flowers, and then without the flowers I can take them off easily, but it's up to you, whatever method you like, as long as the flower will stay on the bobbin pin. As you can see, I'm just tying a knot, and that is pretty much how the bobbin pin will look. I'm just going to have to cut the extra strands and hide them yarns. And as you can see, this is the end result. We can see our little flower with the 5 petals and then a little yellow centre as well. I find this super cute. Attach the bobbin pin and you can use it for any style, and I will show you some examples. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see you guys making it as well, the little flower clips. As you can see, you can either use it for a braid or put it on its own, whichever way you like. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.